A day fishing by the forest river. Once upon a time, deep in a whispering forest, there lived a brown, hairy monster named Moss. Moss looked scary at first glance. He was huge, shaggy, and had big feet that made the ground thump, thump, thump when he walked. But he was actually very gentle. He loved two things more than anything: the quiet sound of the trees swaying in the wind, and fishing. Every morning, Moss would grab his little wooden fishing pole and wander down to the silver blue pond hidden between the pine trees. He would sit on his favorite flat rock, dip his line into the water, and hum silly songs to the fish. The fish liked Moss because he never fished to keep them. He only liked the waiting, the watching, and the tiny splash when a fish nibbled the bait. One sunny afternoon, Moss noticed a small rabbit crying by the pond. "My carrot boat floated away," sniffled the rabbit. Sure enough, a tiny boat made of carrot peel was drifting toward the middle of the pond. "Don't worry," rumbled Moss in his deep, fuzzy voice. He cast his fishing line high into the air. Whoosh! And with one perfect plop, the hook caught the little carrot boat by its string. With a careful tug, Moss reeled it back to shore. The rabbit's eyes grew wide. "You're the best fisherman in the whole forest." Soon, word spread. Squirrels came with lost acorns, ducks came with tangled reeds, and even the fox asked Moss to help retrieve his lucky hat from the water. From that day on, Moss wasn't known as the scary brown monster in the forest. He was known as Moss, the kind fisherman, the shaggy giant who could catch anything except fish. And every evening, as the sun turned the pond golden, Moss would smile, cast his line, and listen to the forest say good night. The end. Or is it?